Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Monday, everyone. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back. What's up, guys? What up, what up? Welcome back, everyone. Good to be back on. What's going on, guys? Where are we? Let me see here. Happy Monday, everyone. Happy Monday. Let's have a look what we got for news for the week ahead. We had that big gold rip on Friday. Massive gold rip back above 4,600 and already starting to squeeze higher here today already. These markets are moving. You got Nasdaq having a big push up this morning already. Gold already starting to squeeze higher. So let's see what we get in these markets this week. Let's see. So you can turn the lights on too good on Friday. Yeah, nice, man, nice. I wondered if someone was going to message me about that. Yeah, appreciate it, man. Good morning, guys. Nice. That was funny. That was super random. I was like, who was that? Nice. News for the week. Let's have a look, guys. What do we have? So nothing really on the calendar today. Tomorrow you got consumer confidence. Wednesday you got GDP. Friday you got the Fed speaking, and you got consumer sentiment. So nothing really today, but you do have some news Wednesday and Friday. Wednesday and Friday. So let's break down these markets and have a look. Yeah, let me turn that down a little bit. It's so loud. Let's have a look. Look at this. Goldie already ripping high. Obviously had that huge breakout on Friday. Massive breakout on Friday. I mean, just huge breakout last week. Absolutely huge breakout. Wednesday broke out of this whole entire range. Thursday retested. Took lovely buys on Thursday. And then Friday continued ripping higher. And you've already got today very close to squeezing higher already. You're already very close to previous daily highs. Let me just close these things down here, guys. You already got gold very close to previous daily highs, which is going to be a nice upside target there, which hopefully we can get an entry for, but it is very close. It's very, very close to that high. Let's get rid of some of these levels here. Let's clean this up. These were the levels from last week. There was great buys on Friday. I didn't really trade Friday. I took my profit on Thursday and was pretty much done for the week, but there were some lovely buys on Friday as well. Let me have a quick look at NASDAQ. Look at this on NASDAQ. NASDAQ came down, tagged the lowest point in this range, also having a nice bounce here as well. It could be a potential reversal point from for NASDAQ. Did close bearish last week. What have you done here already? Already you can see here NQ ripped the lows, held support, breaking back above. Look at that. Massive support already on NQ. And you may come up and squeeze some highs here. So you got NQ coming up into these Friday New York highs after grabbing the lows. And we also got gold coming right back up there as well. So these markets are moving early doors here, guys. These markets are moving. Already took the trade, the NQ trade. You take the NQ trade or the Goldie trade? I don't think there was much on gold, but yeah, I mean, very, very early doors NQ longs. Yeah, I mean, that's nice. Look at that. You ripped all the lows. You tagged the liquidity down here. You broke out. You retested. You're squeezing higher. Like, man. Just start trading NQ early. Look at that. You had a huge, look at that 30-minute fake out as well. It's beautiful. Broke support. Broke straight back above. Cool. There's your longs right up into this high here. For a Monday morning, you know, you're almost up 100 points. Like, that's crazy. Crazy to see NASDAQ almost up 100 points here on a Monday morning. Kind of crazy. Yeah, on NQ. Yeah, nice. Good trade. Very, very, very good trade. So yeah, we'll see what these markets give us there, guys. Like I said, there is a high chance you'll see gold hit that previous daily high. Whether or not we're going to get an entry, because I'm certainly not going to buy it this high. That's for sure. Certainly not going to buy it this high. Same as NQ. Maybe, you know, we got this hourly closing in 1 minute. If you get a pullback on gold, cool. Maybe you can buy it. You're buying a pretty terrible place. Same as NQ. If you can pull back, great. You do have upside targets. So let's see. We'll see. See what these markets give us. Yeah, done for the day. Yeah, what a trade. Done for the day already. 100 points by what, 9 a.m.? That's crazy. That's crazy. 100 points by 9 a.m. Let's have a look. NASDAQ, you may get a little bit of a... maybe a little bit of a pullback off this resistance, but you have to think right now, NASDAQ, anyone selling here, risking off that high, could very well get squeezed out here, which is what the trade would really be. Same as gold. But the thing is, the range on gold is... how much is the range on NASDAQ? Yeah, 20 points. Gold. 100? Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Let's see. Could it retest 45, 45? Is that on the currency chart or futures, man? Currency or futures? We've got this hourly open here, guys. Let me see. Hourly open coming in here on these markets. NQ probably going to squeeze the highs. Goldie would have to see a pullback. Previous daily resistance. Oh yeah, all the way back down here. I mean, that's ages away. I wouldn't worry about what's down here. Price is up like hundreds of ticks from this point. I wouldn't worry about what's down here. Who knows? Who cares? We want to trade what's up here. If we worry about what's down here, you know, we could miss out on some clean intraday trades. Not to say you can't come back down here. I mean, it's not just going to do it now though. We're more so looking for what can we do with what we have up here. You know, I'm not worried about what's all the way back down here. Where is it? All the way back down here, I don't really care too much. I'm trying to think of what's in here. What's in the now? What's right in front of us? NQ having a little bit of a sell-off off the highs, which is nice, same as gold. If we can catch some pullbacks, great. I wouldn't mind buying. Where are we? Just gonna log into the funded accounts here, see what we get for the day. Where are we? Which accounts have I got? Growth. $50K. Let me see. I'm gonna fire up a new Lucid account here. Hey Dylan, what's up, man? Yeah, we can check silver. Yep, we can have a look. I don't trade it personally, but we could, yeah, we can have a look. Yeah, too far away. Yeah, I mean, the broken resistance can definitely become support. But, I mean, that's what we're doing here, right? Wrong tool, but it will do. That's what we're doing here. Resistance, broke above, support, support, broken higher. So we've already done it here. You know, to worry about what's all the way back down here is, yeah, it's ages away. We have to think in the now. If we always worry too much about what might happen, we can miss the now, which is not what we want to do. Let me just log into TradeC here. Goldie may squeeze it. I'm kind of waiting for a bit more of a pullback. Steps up, yeah, exactly, man. Still liking the direct funded. Yeah, they're good, man. They have their place, they're good. I don't use them as much, but yeah, they're definitely still good. They're definitely still good. Let's see what we get for the day. Silver, let's have a look. Silver back at major resistance. Bit of a wick on Friday. 4-hour range. Hour range. Yeah, looks pretty just in a range. Doesn't look that exciting. Doesn't look any more exciting than gold, to be honest. It's like a pretty messy range on silver. Daily didn't really close that bullish on Friday. You never closed above the highs. So yeah, silver, I don't really like silver. I'd be curious to know why you guys, I mean, I don't know what you guys do watch. I'll be curious to know why, because I don't think it gives anything more than gold doesn't. I think gold gives that many opportunities. I'm not sure why we look at silver. Silver's a crazy market to trade. A very, very, very crazy market to trade. Super volatile. One wrong trade and one wrong sizing on silver, you know, you're blowing your account. What am I looking for on gold? I have honestly no idea. Any pullback to buy. I'm not buying this high. If it just rips the highs, well, I don't know. See what happens. I have no idea. There you go. Ripping the highs. Look at that. Goldie ripping them daily highs. Ripping the daily highs. Look, you got a little bit of a grab there, but again, it's too. I'm not buying gold this high, guys. I'm not doing anything here, to be honest. If we get some more price action, cool, I'll see if there's something worthwhile, but I won't buy gold this high. But that's Friday's high hit. So if there was any sort of intraday trade, that was it. But it's not worth it for me. There's no risk to reward. There's no risk to reward. You know, it's Monday morning. Do I really care about trying to squeeze out 80 ticks? No, absolutely not. If I want 8 ticks there, I'll get a way easier trade. But nice squeeze into the highs though. Hey, Dossie, what's up, man? Yeah, I agree. Not much, man. Not much. We got time. We got time. You know, unless you are on like, you know, very early doors, this fake out. I mean, I don't look at the markets that early. But unless you were in that fake out, yeah, maybe you could have got a good risk to reward. How did the hourly close? Yeah, still kind of a bit weird. It's not a bad scalp. It's a trade I don't really care too much about, to be honest. Let's see. Well, look at this. If NQ gives a pullback, you do have a double top. NQ could be nicer. If you can get a pullback, maybe come back down, retest VWAP. Maybe. Took 180. Yeah, nice. You must have been in early. Nice. Hourly fake out on silver. Let's have a look, man. Hourly fake out on silver. Where are we? Silver. Yeah, that was an hourly fake out for sure. Tag the highs bearish, tag the lows straight back above. Yeah, that was a fake out, definitely. It's still not a trade I would take, but is that technically a fake out? Yeah, definitely. The reason I wouldn't take it is because you're trading right in the middle of a range. But technically, yeah, it is an hourly fake out for sure. But the reason I wouldn't buy it is because you got like big resistance right here. Even here, look at this. Even resistance like right here too. Fake out, big wicks broke above, below, resistance sold off. So that's what you would have kind of been working with. Hey guys, good morning. So we kind of have to see what gold's going to do above these highs now. Do you break the daily highs and keep ripping? Maybe. I mean, gold's overall very bullish. But you're already getting some pretty strong selling right off that daily high. With this hourly opening up in the first 8 minutes as well. C-Pass to 5k, yeah. Like, we just straight run into 5k. I mean, look how bullish we are. August has been insane for gold. Absolutely insane. But I mean, it was about time we had this pullback on gold. I didn't think it would happen within 1 month. But look at this. I mean, you had gold selling off all the way back in April. Sold off April all the way down to June. You ranged from June all the way to July. Start of August. Boom. Ripping. Absolutely ripping. Could you see gold come for one big massive run? I mean, maybe. It's pretty insane, but maybe. It's very insane. Yeah, crazy month. Yeah, absolutely crazy month. Look at this. Look at this monthly candle. Never grabbed any of the lows. Just absolutely off. It will be one of, if we do close this bullish, who knows what happens. We got 1 more week left of this month. If we do close this bullish, it'll probably be one of the biggest months you've seen on gold in, I mean, as long as I can remember. As long as I can remember, it's been one of the biggest months. What was this? This was in January this year, 5,600. Yeah, it's pretty similar. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. I would love to be swinging it, because from a technical perspective, like, when we were talking about gold longs from 4,000, like, fucking hell, I didn't expect it to get this high this quick. But that's gold. Expect the unexpected with gold. What are we doing at these highs, Goldie? What are we up to? Are we going to sell off? Are we going to keep squeezing? What's NQ up to? NQ tag and lows, closing bullish. You may get this. I would have liked a little bit more of a wick lower to get entry here. If we get NQ selling off a little bit, grab these lows before grabbing the highs. I'll take a trade here on NQ. Where are we? Let me load up one of these accounts here. Yeah, if we get a pullback here on NQ, I want to see if there's an NQ long today. See if there's an NQ trade today. Goldie's off to the moon. Yeah, nothing but scalps. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Nothing but scalps for sure. I mean, what could NQ give here? What is this? 70 points? I mean, it's very good. Very, very, very good. Yeah, I mean, gold next target would be 4,700. 4,700 on the futures. It's really not that far away. 4,700, you're basically there. Futures 4,700, you're basically there. Yeah, huge one. Huge one. That's the thing. Even you look at this weekly. The fact that this weekly is opening up and we're instantly back above last week's high. Do I think we'll sustain above this previous weekly high for the whole week? I doubt it. It doesn't mean I'm going to short, though, but I doubt it. You know, if this is going to be a big, strong weekly breakout in gold, you'd expect more of a pullback first, but opening and ripping. So above this weekly high, yeah, I mean, there's the potential for some selling. Especially that 4,700 level on the futures as well. Definitely a level to watch. I'm trying to fix this music here. There we go. There we go. Come on, NQ. Give us a pullback. Give us something in these markets today. Where's 4,700 on the currency? Still pretty far. But futures chart, you are basically there. Basically there. So yeah, I think we'll be, if we're going to watch any of these markets, I think it's going to be very likely to be NQ. Very likely to be NQ. Glad to see you back on our side. Thank you, man. It's good to be back. It's good to be back. Trading in the morning. If you guys didn't see, I posted a YouTube video yesterday about my morning routine as a trader in Australia and why I love being a trader here in Australia, and it gets a lot of stick. But hey, man, you can see these markets are moving. Like what time is this? Let's go to here to where are we? Brisbane time. Look at this. 8 a.m. The market's up 100 points by 10 a.m. Like, man. If you guys haven't seen it, definitely give it a watch. Just a raw edit. Top step menus are so confusing. Can't find my way back to the charts. What do you mean, man? Can't find your way back to the charts. What do you mean? I'm not sure what you mean. If you on Top Step X, you on Top Step X? Good Aussie coffee. Yeah, exactly, man. Exactly. Exactly. Someone tried to call me out in the video, saying that it was that I was delusional to think it was the best times. Delusional, I got called. Delusional for enjoying my Australian mornings is what I got called. Had to reset layout. Yeah, I'm not too sure what you mean, man. Yeah, it's just yeah, got this NQ selling off here, guys. So if we're gonna get an NQ trade, there's an area to look for an NQ trade. This is gonna be it. Let's see, NQ. All right, so we're wicking down here. You just had that 15 close. What's this hourly looking like? Hourly getting back below. This is pretty nice. If you're making real money while having delusions, yeah, for sure. Get a gold cup. Yeah, I do think we do need a gold cup, man. We do. We definitely do need a gold cup. We do. All right, NQ coming back low here, guys. NQ back lower. Wish I could be as delusional as you and your bank balance. I mean, man, I'm delusional, but I'm up close to what, like $60,000 for the month. So I don't know. Okay, if you want to get better trading, get more delusional. That's what I say. I'm up about 51 on personal. I have 3 eligible payouts right now across Top Step and Tradeify. But yeah, just on personal, we're up 51,000 for the month. When I take out these payouts from Top Step, 2 payouts from Tradeify, yeah, we'll be close to 60,000 for the month. 60,000. But still delusional though. Where are we? Look at this. NQ selling off hard here. Goldie kind of just wicking these daily highs. NQ having a hard sell off here. Watching from India, where Forex trading is illegal. Someone go report that man. Someone go send that guy to jail. Breaking the law on a Monday morning. Forex trading is illegal. Trade futures. Is futures illegal? Are you trying to get yourself arrested? Openly saying that you're breaking the law? What's going on? What's going on with that? Just so you guys know, I'm just breaking the law on Monday. Here's my address. What the hell? Look at that. NQ right back low. Oh, Goldie having a bit of a sell-off here too. Goldie. This is nice. That's why you ought to be careful above these previous daily highs. Heavily regulated, not illegal. There you go. Morning, mate. How are you doing this morning? I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. It's Monday morning. Can't complain. Monday morning, we got these markets moving. You got NQ straight back down off a double top. You got Goldie liquidating daily highs. Man, we could be in for a good day. This could be in for a good day. We will be in for a good day. Not we could be in for a good day. We are in for a good day. Yeah, I mean, hourly fake out on golds. Yeah, maybe. We're still in the range, but man, look at this on NQ. Straight back lower. I was going to see if we could wick these lows, hold some support to buy, but no, look at this NQ straight back down. The thing is with gold, yeah, we are having a decent sell-off here on gold, but 4,700 on the futures chart is still a massive level. It's a big level. Really? Was there some news? Maybe. Let's have a look. I don't think so. Maybe. Got the gold long. Nice. Yeah, if you got the gold longs into the daily highs, that was a beautiful trade. The longs into the highs on gold was very nice. That's why if you did take this on gold, you're not looking for any more than this high here. So it's like if you're buying from, you know, here to here, it's a very small range. 70 ticks, 7 points, you know, it's not the best. Look at this short on NQ though. In gold shorts. Yeah, we shorten off that daily high. Look at this for a sell-off here on gold. So we don't want to chase above them highs. Look at that for a sell-off. It's pretty crazy. $2,007. Oh look, we could take a eligible for a top step payout as well. Our first top step payout in a while. Would I short gold? Maybe. No torque, just signal? Yeah, true, true. It's a fair point, to be fair. There's a fair enough point. Less torque, more signals. Touch and view up. Yep. Yeah, see what gold does for me. I'm not against selling gold. I'm not that happy about shorting gold, given how strong gold is, but yeah, I mean, I'm open to downside. There's a very high chance you'll at least retest 4,600 on the currency chart. On the futures chart, that support's back down at 60s. So I'm not against shorting gold. But if I do short gold, I mean, it's gonna be small size. It's gonna be small size. It's probably gonna be on a combine maybe. Why? Because gold's still so overall bullish. I don't just want to just start shorting for the sake of it. But it's the only real thing I can see right now, to be honest. It's the only thing I can see here. If again though, if NQ does bounce from here, bit of an inverse head and shoulders, look, left shoulder head coming down for that right shoulder, double top above. If NQ does break back bullish, I will absolutely buy NQ. That is a trade I would take on a funded account. Where's the support on gold? Where can we find some support? Let's see. We've got the first 30 minutes of the session coming in 5 minutes here, guys. First 30 minutes close. Yeah, up on challenge. Nice, nice, nice. I've still got these. I got these two top step accounts that I need to trade as well. I got this 25k static, and I got this 3k challenge account as well. I need to trade these. I can't remember what the rules are. Too many accounts here. When you said gold is legal, was grabbing eyes. Yeah, nice, Randy. Nice. I'm on a cash account, so I appreciate when you talk about trades. Yeah, nice, nice. Would I've set alerts? Yeah, I probably would have set some alerts today. For now, anyway, you know, it's not that we can't trade here. We just need gold to develop a little bit. That's all. Just need to see something. Let Goldie show us what it wants to do here. It's, you know, it's first thing on a Monday morning. You know, we get that 30-minute close. Maybe we close bearish, and cool. Maybe we look for a short here on gold. Maybe there's shorts. All we need to do is just, you know, sometimes just let the markets just show us their hands and then see if we can trade. There's not that much to the downside here on gold. Well, the only thing I can see here is this 4,600 level. Still, again, I'm not opposed to just continue to also buy gold. We are very bullish still. But yeah, we got 30-minute close in 4 minutes here, guys. May as well wait for it. Wait for it. see if it gives us a better sense of direction, and then cool, we'll trade. Short off the owl engulfing. I mean, it's got 36 minutes, 34 minutes till it's going to close, man. It's not an engulfing yet. This could easily wick all the way back above. Who knows? It's not a closure yet. Look at this, for short on gold, right back down to that 4600 level. Look at that. NQ back lower as well. Look at these markets. These markets are moving. What you got in the futures? 4650. Yeah, 4600. Yeah, is that 4600 on the currency chart? I mean, I would have shorted it if I got a 30-minute closure, but I'm not going to short this shit. I'm not going to short this shit. I would have shorted on the 30-minute closure. I mean, still could maybe, but meh. Look at this on gold. Goldie getting smashed. Goldie getting smashed. NQ down as well. Yeah, if there was any profit taken on gold, it would be right back above that daily high. Which is why it would have been such a nice long. Like, this would have been a much nicer trade than trying to catch this short. Because the daily's overall very bullish, weekly's bullish. Buying up into them daily highs would have been fantastic. But yeah, above them daily highs, yeah, you could get a lot of profit taken. A lot of trapped sellers. So what do? You come up, you hit the previous daily highs, you form that perfect 5-minute evening star play. Sell off straight back down below. So, yeah, I mean, you could get people trapped in both sides of gold right now, to be honest. You've now just come down and also hit the lows. You've hit the highs, you've also just hit the lows. So that was Friday's close. Friday's high, Friday's close. You just come to the high, you've now just come to the close. So could you be trapping people in both sides here on gold? Maybe. Maybe. Yeah, it would have been nice to bind that. Would have been nice to bind that daily high, but yeah, it was a bit too early for me. I don't like to take trades that early, especially not on a Monday morning either. I don't usually take any trades in Asia until we jump on together. All right, 30-minute close, tagging highs, holding support, holding resistance, stuck in the middle of the range, 4,600 on the currency. The support. I would trade a combine here today, guys. If you're trading, be careful trading funded accounts here on gold. I would be careful. By careful, I mean do it at your own risk. Me personally, I won't be doing it. All right, let's see this 30-minute close. 30-minute close on gold. 30-minute close on NQ. NQ looking damn bearish. Look at that. Look how bearish that 30's looking. Yeah, I know, Brad. It's crazy. Once upon a time, 20 ticks and the whole session was a win. I know, man. Now we're moving hundreds, literally hundreds. All right, 30-minute closed, very bearish on NQ. So you're not going to buy NQ. Goldie wick the highs and wick the lows. You're below previous hourly lows. You're back at previous resistance. Could you find some support here on gold? Or are you going to re-break back lower? I don't really know, to be honest. I do like gold into 4,700, but still early morning, guys. Still early morning. You know, we got all session, all week. The markets don't make as much sense right now. That's fine. Just wait. Just wait. Sometimes I jump on. I don't really know what's going to happen, but I let the markets develop a little bit. I let the markets show me their hands, and then I can react. That's all I'm trying to do. I'm trying to react to these markets. I'm not trying to predict. So if you don't see much right now, that's okay. But don't take shit trades off that. If nothing's jumping out at you right now, that's fine. Just wait. Just wait. Let the markets come to you. Yeah, it's a strong wick rejection. I'm not, it wouldn't surprise me if you see gold break higher from here. Also, it wouldn't surprise me if you see it break lower. So if we do break higher, I'll buy gold for a new high. Why not? NQ still going down. Now you're trying to see, you know, is gold going to hold a bit of a head and shoulders and go lower, or are we going to break it, retest, and go higher? Can we get a nice meme? Don't take shit trades. I think we need one. Boss, you have attempted to wait out these morning hours and then scalp the range that tends to form after midday? No, not really, man. I mean, you can, whatever you prefer. But no, me personally, I'm usually done by 12 o'clock Brisbane time. Asia usually gives me enough that I'm pretty much usually done for the day. Yeah, it's amazing, Brad. It's amazing. There's no need for FOMO, man. No missed trades. No missed trades. If there was a trade that followed our plan and we missed it, then yeah, for sure we'd have FOMO. But there's no reason for FOMO in here. Just because the markets are moving doesn't mean we need to chase. The markets are moving, you know, fucking 23 hours, 5 days a week. If we always worry about what the markets are doing, you know, we're gonna have a very stressful time. So yeah, same. No FOMO, no missed trade, no reason for FOMO. All it takes is one candle closure and we get our trader, guys. That's all it takes. All it takes is one candle. One candle, we get our trade, we get our move. We make our money. But yeah, I will be trading a challenge account today, to be honest. Less talking, more signals. I got you. It's Monday morning too. Yeah, exactly, man. We got loads of time. We got all week. Love from where forex trading is illegal. Good man. Who did you learn to trade from? I learned from loads of different places, man. Loads of different places. Did loads of different courses. Some shit, some good. But the way I trade now is just my strategy. No one taught me to trade exactly how I trade now. It's just years of staring at gold. Picked little bits up from lots of different places. Spent lots of money on loads of different, you know, courses. Blah blah blah. Loads of crap. Yeah, I wouldn't look to short this evening star. It's too aggressive for me. I would have preferred to been buying up into it. That was more so my trade. Previous daily highs, longing up into that would have been a better trade for me. I don't like these shorts up here. It's too aggressive, especially when gold's been so bullish. Gold's not the market to call tops, because if you look at this, you know, and you try and short this, if gold did this, which is the more logical thing to look at, you know, we'd look back and we go, fuck, why did I short that? Gold's bullish. So no, it's not my short, because that could have easily happened, like we have been doing for this whole run up on gold. And to me, that would be a tilt trade. But to buy this up into the daily highs, yeah, that would definitely have been my trade. It just happened very early. So now I'm just waiting for the next opportunity. So has there already been an opportunity today for a trade within our plan? Yes. But was it outside of our times? Yeah, sure. So fine, let's just wait for the next trade. But there's already been a good setup in here today. So if we now start taking shit setups, then that's an emotional response. So just wait for the next setup. But yeah, them shorts above the daily highs. Yeah, it's a bit too aggressive for me. A bit too aggressive. If you would have taken that trade, even without it hitting that low, yeah, definitely. Definitely. If there was like a fake out here, 30-minute tag lows, close bullish, yeah, you can take that trade and worry about that later on. You always want to trade what's right in front of you, remember? We don't really want to be thinking too much about what might happen. We want to be thinking about what's right in front of us. And the markets are breaking out from here, cool, trade it. Because you have liquidity here. So price can easily, you know, do this and then grab the lows. But I don't want to miss out on this move here because I think we can come down here. If we break out from here, cool, take it from there. Worry about this later on. Always want to be reacting. You know, it's okay to think price can go somewhere, but if we're breaking out from here, cool, follow the markets. Don't think too much. Don't think too much. NQ hanging out. Hanging out, NQ. Do you trade from your phone often since you set alerts? Yeah, definitely. All the time. I take phone trades on my phone, maybe manage trades on my phone. But the only way I'll take a trade on my phone is if I've already done my analysis and it's more of like a trade I'm going to hold for a couple of hours. But yeah, definitely, why not? They're never, like, I don't take like intraday scalp trades on my phone, or I never trade funded accounts on my phone. I don't like the platforms. But if I'm taking a trade on my personal, yeah, definitely, I can take it up on my phone. Just buy it or sell it and then just kind of check it as I come back later on, for sure. All the time. All the time. Goldie. Hanging out here, guys. NQ trying to find some support, but it's a pretty strong 30-minute closure, so it's tough. It's tough. This is the 5-minute, man. 5-minute. I'm looking for breakout longs on NQ. If NQ breaks out, I'd keep buying. I'm looking for longs. Yeah, if NQ breaks out, I wouldn't mind buying. I think NQ has some nice room to come up into this double top. But again, it's kind of similar, same as gold. You kind of need to see what you're going to do from here. Look at that resistance. All this one big area. So you want to either see NQ get above, then fantastic, then you can buy it. Otherwise, you might do something like this. But yeah, ideally, we're looking for longs on NQ. Longs up into that double top. Inverse head and shoulders on NQ. Yep, I see the same. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, definitely. If you can break out from here, it could be very nice. I don't know how well NQ... I mean, you have two here as well. Look, you got a left shoulder, head, right shoulder. You also have a left shoulder, head. Maybe you come up for that right shoulder too. That's why I can tell that NQ is in a bit of a range, which it clearly is. Have I got a combine here I can trade? Yeah, I got a combine here I can trade. Where you got in the futures? 46.50. So patience morning so far, guys. We got time. We've been here for about an hour. We got time. We got time. Remember, gold is below previous hourly lows as well. Yeah, and bro, hey man, have you noticed that sometimes gold and Nasdaq both play out at the same time? Not really too much. I don't really ever watch Nasdaq that much. Well, I've never noticed enough that it could give me some sort of correlation to take trades off. But yeah, maybe they do. I've never noticed anything that strong that would want me to get in a trade that I can see before the other one does something else. Personally, I honestly don't trade Nasdaq that much. Yeah, it could have been Daniel, maybe. Maybe it could have been Daniel. Which, if so, yeah, Daniel's part of the team, man. Markets have had two big moves here. Look at this. NQ, big rip up, 150 points. Straight back down, another 140 points. So, NQ ranging. Goldie trying to get back higher. It's an absolute sweetheart. Nice. That's what we like to hear. Yeah, if there's 30 closes bullish, definitely. If you get a 30-minute closing bullish and a nice hourly wick rejection, yeah, that would be very nice. That'd be very nice. Goldie and Q. Go on, markets, give us something. I've got to open up Discord again to the mental ship. Nah, I won't, man. Nah, it's not worth it, unfortunately. My time is too valuable, and unfortunately, when it was a community, people just come and go, take all the content, pay $99 and leave. Like, my education and 8 years of knowledge is $99 is honestly just not worth it. But I mean, there's a free side to the Discord as well. But the mentorship is much better because it's actually focused on getting people the best results. But for $99, it's like I can't give people the right focus that you actually need. That's why in the mentorship we're getting such amazing results. Is because there's so much accountability in there. Like, I can now bring on coaches, etc. Like, you got myself, you got Aled, you got Sean. You know, we're live every single day in Asia. 3 London streams a week. A couple New York streams a week. You know, so much more in there now. I don't know, Josh Thomas, man. I'm not too sure. But the thing is, people spend hundreds of dollars of just blowing prop firm accounts, but then never actually even take the time to even learn trading. Like, I spent loads of money on education when I first started. Before I even considered buying a prop firm account, like, my education was my priority. I didn't buy prop firm accounts till later on in my journey. Whereas now it's like the opposite. People are like, I'll get funded and then I'll learn. I'll get a payout and then I'll learn. It's like, that's not really how education works. You learn the skills, then you get the funding. And sometimes people do it the complete opposite for some reason. How long we got? We got 15 minutes till we're gonna get this hourly close here, guys. 15 mins. 15 mins. See if Goldie's gonna give us that bullish breakout into this hourly. You can see Goldie's just hanging out down here. These 3K bets, yeah. That's but I mean, you know, tuning in here, like I always say, you know, watch here for a while beforehand as well. Yeah, you learn a lot from the streams too. You can learn a lot from just tuning in here as well. Goldie trying to get back above. I think you're going to see Goldie have a bit of a pullback here, guys. What do you have here on gold? 100 ticks? That's pretty decent ranges today. Even though it's not the easiest to trade, there is some pretty decent ranges. NQ trying to get back above. NQ just hanging out. Goldie hanging out. We got hourly close in 13 minutes as well. Wow, that's amazing, Rob. That's awesome, man. That's amazing. A very good friend, man. Good job. So that accountability is what we need in life. Accountability in everything. Like you say, trading, health, everything. Absolutely everything, man. A little bit of a flip on this 5 on gold. Back at the resistance. Same as NQ. What's this little 5 flip? 50 ticks. There's that big there's a pretty decent flip there on gold. Pretty decent flip back up into that VWAP. Pretty aggressive scalp, but it was there. Just a little bit of a pullback, flip back up into that VWAP. I'm just playing around on this combine here, guys. Forgot I had this combine even sat there and it just reset, so I may as well trade it. Quick 80 ticks on that 5-minute flip. But look at this. The more gold breaks out from here, the more this hourly starts to wick back above. I mean, I really don't want to see it close like this, though, to be honest. This is not what I want to see from the hourly. So just looking for one decent trade per day. Yeah, I mean, it's more than enough, man. It's more than enough. If you just want one decent trade today, man, just be patient. You'll get it. Ah, nice, Tanya. Received the book Best Loser Wins yesterday, so start reading this morning. Interesting. Yeah, it's really, really, really good. Really good. NAS breakout, really. Oh yeah, nice. Trying to. Yeah, imagine if Naz just catches a whole NQ catches a whole breakout right into this hourly. How long we got? 9 minutes. Man, that'd be pretty crazy. Look at this gold hourly. Get in the market wizard book. Yeah, nice. I got it. I got it on the shelf behind me. Also a good read. Really good read. I don't read very much, but yeah, when I do read, it makes me want to get into reading more. I try and read more. If this hourly closed like that, would that mean more buys? Nah, if the hourly closed like this, it means a range. You're wicking out Friday's lows and wicking out Friday's highs. It makes me think a range, if not, maybe even top wick and go lower. If you wick out the highs and lows and then you close within the body of the previous hourly, like that tells you there's a very, very, very small range in here. Look at this. You're failing to close above or below the previous hourly high and Friday's high and close. Yeah, it tells you there's a bit of a range. Bit of a range. Both those Amazon cart. Yeah, nice, nice. They're great reads, man. Really good reads. Let's say, you know, if we do want to, say if we're looking for a good quality trade here, I reckon we get gold breaking back above this resistance and then longs up into a new high of day. If I had to give, what could a good setup look like from here on gold? I'd want to see a breakout from here and then run for a new high. Remember, on the futures chart, you have 4,700 as a nice potential upside target too. 4,700. Where's 4,700? It's just a little bit above this high here as well on the currency chart. That's when I'm talking about a new high of day. New high of day and 4,700 on the futures. So if you do get back above this area, you know, it's a 200 tick range. It's a very, very, very worthwhile range. Very worthwhile range. Have market wizards arriving tomorrow. Yeah, nice. They're really good reads. It's like a little podcast that you can just kind of pick up and just skim your way through. It's really good. Some of my favorites. What stopped you from longing the close of the last 30 minute? The fact that it tagged highs and closed are very bearish. This one? This isn't a buy signal to me. This is a sit on your hands and do absolutely nothing to me. You ripped daily highs and you just engulfed bearish of the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, however many candles. So yeah, this, to me, to trade that next 30, this is a... That 30 to me says stay the hell away. Just wait. If you mean to actually trade this one, yeah, you could have traded this 1 AM candle. You could have bought it. There was longs up into previous daily highs. That was the idea this morning, is buying up into that previous daily high. But after this candle closed, no, there was nothing. There's nothing to trade this one, unless this candle closes back above, which it very well could. This hourly could flip bullish. Great, then I'll absolutely buy it. But could you have traded this 1 o'clock candle? Yeah, you could have. You were buying into yesterday's, Friday's high. You're buying up into Friday's high. Once you grab Friday's high, then who knows what happens from there. Who knows? So this is the make or break level for gold. Are we going to break above this resistance and come for a new high of day, or are we going to hold it and pull back? Or if we do close, you know, maybe holding support in this hourly, next hour opens, and then maybe then we could take it. Then we could take it. Buy or sell both at the same time. Win-win. You literally can't lose. Easy money. Free money. Do both. The easiest money you'll make. Not financial advice. Yeah, same. Yeah, gold can't go down. Yeah, exactly. Gold never goes down. Wow, look at this on NQ. NASDAQ. Look at this. Sounded like financial advice. Nah, never, man, never. Look at this hourly. Gone from looking so bearish to wicking back out these previous hourly lows and trying to find some support in the last couple minutes here. Look at this last 3 minutes. Hold on, we've got Goldie. 2 minutes here. 2 minutes till both of these hourly candles are going to close here, guys. 2 mins. Levels to watch. 4,700 on the futures. And NQ around 29,500-ish. Yes, one ugly hour. Exactly, man. Exactly. Again, that's why you got to zoom out. That's why you got to zoom out. Sometimes you get so zoomed into that 5 minute. Look at the hourlies here on both these charts. Sometimes you can get so focused on, you know, intraday noise. You zoom out and you go, look at this crap. It's messy. I mean, if the hourly does close like this on NQ, could you see the next hour, because it just came down, it's just tagged previous hourly lows. Could you see the next hour come down and look something like that? Yeah, maybe. Wouldn't be a bad trade, to be honest. And then you got 2 equal hourly highs back up here as well. And you got this nice double top. And you also have huge liquidity grabs. Look, see here? Huge liquidity grabs. So overall, yeah, you want to be buying NQ. Oh, I want to be buying NQ. Isn't this bearish as of now for GC? Let me see. No, it's pretty neutral. I mean, you're neutral leaning more towards longs. Look how strong NQ is this month. Sorry, gold. Look at this month on gold. We're literally up thousands and thousands and thousands of ticks. Like 6,500 ticks, 650 points. Like, gold is so bullish right now. That's why, if I get long setups, I'm much more comfortable to keep buying gold than selling gold. So if we get a nice bullish breakout here, which is looking like we're going to, yeah, I would rather look to buy gold than sell it. Yeah, much more comfortable buying gold than selling gold. That's for sure. 4 hours still bullish. Yeah, I mean, for every time frame still bullish on gold. Yeah, it's about to close here. Tagging lows, tagging highs. But so just remember, guys, if we got candles, wicking highs and lows, you're very likely playing a range today. So just play the range. All right, see if we can get some volume here. We just had this hourly close here. Let's see. See if we can get some volume. Hey, Aaron. Hey, man. What up? NQ. Nice, a nice hold of support on NQ. Yeah, Friday was the pullback day. Yep. Thursday for me. Friday for some of you guys. Wow, look at this on gold. Now we're ripping gold. I'm not in this rip, but you got Goldie ripping here, right off that 4,600 level. Look at that. You can see that futures come straight back up. 30-minute fake out, squeeze. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. You're going to come straight back to 4,700 maybe? Look at these markets there, guys. All over the shop. 1 minute we're down, next minute we're up. Up 400, nice. Yeah, the only target on gold is just a new high of day. That's all you really have. It's a new high of day, that's it. Yeah, I took the little combine flip, but there's nothing here for me right now. I took the little combine 5-minute flip from here. Just for a little bit of a pullback. And then look at this, straight back down. Fucking hell. Be careful here today, guys. These markets are crazy. You're trading a range. If you don't like the range, don't trade. If you like the range, cool, trade. Accept the risk. I'm sat on my hands, I'm chilling. I'm chilling. I'm happy just to hang out and see what these markets give. I have no need to no need or desire to force anything, to be honest. Gold can come down. Got a nice long on NQ. Yeah, nice. NQ is nice long. Look at this for a spike on gold here. Look at that. That's why I don't chase gold. Gold is a beast. Yeah, gold is a beast today. Absolute beast. You got NQ back down as well. NQ back down. Yeah, Goldie is an absolute beast today. And I got 5-minute coming in soon. First 5 of the hourly. Gold's been acting like Trump. Yeah, a bit wild. Yeah, definitely a bit wild. Definitely wild. If you want to play the range, you may get a bit of a short here on gold. You could get a short back down into 70 on the futures. You've got 30 minutes until this 5 is going to close. I'm not shorting it, but if you're looking for a bit of a short, let's make it red. NQ again coming a little bit lower in this first 5 minutes here. Nice wick rejection. What would you be looking at here on gold? I'm not gonna short it, but what would you be looking at? How many points is that? 90. Yeah. Yeah, what was that? 5 minute? Yeah, 5 minute. It's crazy. Crazy. But I mean, is it surprising to see gold whipsawing around so much? No, not at all. Look at the hourly close. Hourly tagged highs and lows closed doji. So is it surprising to see an intraday range? Nah, not at all. Not surprising at all. 15 morning star. Nice. Was there a 15 morning star? Let me see. 15 morning star. Let's see. Oh, yeah. I didn't quite grab the lows. It would have had to wick the lows here for it to be a morning star like this. If we did that, then yeah, that'd been a lovely one. Actually left a bit of a double bottom. Long Nasdaq targeting the double top. Yep. I like that. I like that. I'm trying to see if Nasdaq can break out as well. Bought this Nasdaq for a little bit of a breakout, just on a challenge here. I'm not trading funded accounts. I'm trying to see if I can full port this account and pass it. I'm not gonna trade any funded accounts today, to be honest. Unless I get a picture perfect setup, I'm not trading any of these funded accounts. This is just a challenge I literally bought this morning. If we hit the TP, we'll one and done. One and done. Yeah, Gold Chop City, yeah, definitely. Very. Haven't seen you full porting. I mean, there's nothing else to do in this range, is there? Not much else to do. I have this account that we can pass in a day, so we may as well. Yeah, nice double top above. May as well full port it. These growth accounts I can pass in one day, so I was like, yeah, may as well give it a try. See if it works. Full port Mondays, yeah, exactly. Full port Mondays. I should close some here, but it's just this account. I just want to see if I can just pass it. I don't really care about it. Normally I would close this here. You're just buying that little breakout there. I should be closing, but like I say, I don't really care about this. I just want to pass it. Gold come back down to that 70 level. What's this? 80 ticks, not bad. It's a full port of eval day. Which prop firm? This is a Tradeify growth one. You can pass them in a day. Not that it should be the goal for you guys, but yeah, you can pass it in a day. Have fun on Monday. Yeah, I'm just playing around with these ranges. I'm not really taking it too serious. I'm just playing around. Don't try this. Yeah, definitely don't try this at home. Yeah, you have to pass it in a day. That's the rules. It's not you can pass it in a day. You have to pass it in a day. Well, then we'll have 3 of them. That was Sean's financial advice as well, not mine, by the way. But... yeah, gold is angry. Gold is angry today. Gold's very angry today. I think you will wick lower here on gold, but you're also just kind of dicking around and not really doing anything. Greetings, Aaron. Hey man, what's up? Appreciate insight. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I hope to be in that space one day when funds are just. I mean, like, what did this account costed me? It costed me like, you know, I don't know, I can't remember. Let me see. Like it's just a, you know, remember these funded accounts are just sim accounts, right? Costed me $100, 100 Australian dollars. Like it's just a sim account. It's basically a demo account. Like why would there be any need to put any pressure on myself here? It costed me $100. It's nothing. It's not a 50k account. It's a 100 Australian dollar account. It'd be crazy to get emotional over a simulated account. So it's not really hard to get into the space of treating funded accounts like that, because that's all they are. They're just sim accounts. Sim accounts that you can take payouts from. That's all it is. Do I trade my personal accounts like this? No, obviously not. Absolutely not. This is just these accounts. Just having a go. So if you pass, you pass. I've I've traded these funded accounts for long enough that I have zero emotional attachment to these accounts. Even my funded accounts, I don't care about my funded accounts at all. Like in the sense that like if I take a trade in a funded account, like do I get emotional or scared? Like literally not at all. They don't bother me at all. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, 100% John. That's exactly it. Once you get payouts that can be used to pay for combines, then mine's yeah, exactly, man. That's it. Rinse and repeat. Like I say, we got 3K, 6K, $6,000 eligible for funding right now. Well, half, so 3K just from these accounts. So if I've got 3K ready to be paid out to my bank, do I care about $100 here? Nah, not at all. Not at all. But yeah, I mean, like if $100 is a lot to anyone, which you know definitely can be, then you need to like take a step back from trading. Because if you trade from the perspective of like, you know, a funded account is a lot of pressure because you can't afford to lose that fee, then you really shouldn't be jumping in live markets yet. As much as you might not want to hear that, unfortunately, it's the truth. Like if you can't afford to lose the cost of doing the challenge, then yeah, we shouldn't be jumping in these markets yet. What are we doing, gold? What are we doing? What are we doing? We're going up, we're going down. Come on, Enki, rip these highs. Watch this come all the way back down. Yeah, once you get the payouts, once you lose the accounts, you just learn to not really care. But you got to go through the losing accounts, passing accounts, taking payouts, blowing payouts. You know, you got to go through all that pain to be able to not care very much. So yeah, Goldie's going up. You got gold coming down for a retest, or you got it coming for that 4,700 level. These are the two levels of interest right now on gold. 4,700. Yeah, come on, NQ. Get up there already. What are we waiting for? No chase combine since 7th of 27. Can you explain why? I just don't trade it, man. Don't trade it. Haven't focused on it. It's been sat there doing nothing. I haven't traded it. I haven't been trying to pass it. It's just been sat there doing nothing. So that's why I'm now full porting it. Like this one. I literally haven't traded it. Thank you. Look at NQ. Is that nice? Dylan? You in the NQ trade? On NQ, yeah, nice. You take like the breakout from down here too. Good man. That's what we like to hear. That's what we like to hear. 29,376. Yeah, beautiful entry, man. Nice. Take that 5-minute breakout as well. Good job, man. Good entry, man. Really good entry. If it was me on a normal account, I would be taking profit here. You know, 60 points in an Asian session. Man, 205. Yeah, I like that. For an Asian session, this is a decent run. Very decent run. Maybe I want to lock in a little bit on this account. I don't want it to go back down to 0, but rinse and repeat. Yeah, exactly, man. Rinse and repeat. Go on, NQ. Grab the highs there. Come on. Do it already. Grab the highs. Goldie coming back down. Be a lot more to gem with the funded accounts. Yeah, when you've lost so many, you don't really care that much. Yeah, you definitely can. But you don't just want to, you know, full port the funded accounts too. Like I don't trade my funded accounts like this, guys. In my funded accounts, I trade very consistently. Like here, very, very, very consistently on my funded accounts. This is just these challenges. You just full port everything. You just start buying everything. Full port the lot. Absolutely. Everything you can get your hands on, full port it. Sean's advice. But yeah, now funded accounts I don't trade like this. Like I just take super consistent days. Look, Piggy, look, see that? No losing days here on this funded account. Second payout coming in. Come on, NQ. Jesus. Fucking hell. Don't cheat on NQ with gold. I know. I am sorry, but Goldie was NQ was nice today. Back down to that VWAP on gold. Come on, gold, get up there. I mean NQ, sorry gold. NQ, get up there. 15, no, I don't trade the 15. 15 is the one time frame that I absolutely don't trade. I hate the 15 minute, to be honest. It doesn't tell me, you know, I already know what I want to see based off the hourly and 30 minutes. So I just stick to that. I just stick to that. Come on, NQ. Pass this account. I'm gonna bring this up a little bit. This is starting to annoy me now. Come on, NQ. Get up there. Key takeaway from the stream is to always full port. There's full port Mondays, man. You didn't get the memo? Full port Mondays. No, NQ, come on. Hurry up. Do you play video games? Not really, man. I don't not play video games. I used to, like when I was younger, but I don't really have the time these days. Or I do have the time, but I find it very hard to just sit there and play video games these days. I always feel like I should be doing something. So it's not ideal. Like I wish I kind of could. Maybe if oh, don't do me like that. No, I have to trail this. Don't do me like that. I did pre-order the new GTA on the weekend. Yeah, I used to bash Call of Duty, yeah. I'll definitely play some of the new GTA when it comes out. But yeah, I find it very hard to just sit there and game. Because I feel like I should be doing something more productive. You miss the days of having zero responsibilities and just sitting there gaming all day long. That's crazy. What the hell? Look at that. Literally. That's crazy. Watch it wick down now. It's someone's first time watching. This is not how I trade. Yeah, Modern Warfare 2, yeah, they were the best days, man. That's crazy. Literally tagged that level. Tapped my TP, but didn't close me out. What kind of fuckery is that? Markets are out to get my sim account here. Look at this. Oh, fuck, I should close it. I'll make 400 tomorrow. That's so annoying. Oh well. Goldie squeezing back low here as well, guys. Where was that short on gold? Here. Super messy though. Yeah, Modern Warfare 2 with the days. Good quick close there. Still coming straight back. Literally hit my TP, didn't close me out, and then back down. It's the only way to trade. Yeah, the only way to trade is just playing around on challenge accounts. Like I'm not, like I say, I'm not trading my funded accounts here today, guys. I'm not trading these funded accounts. I'm not trading my top step accounts. I'm not trading my personal accounts. The only way to trade is to hang out here and play around. You got gold back down into that 70 level. Look at that, right back down. What are you at from this area? 80 ticks. Yeah, now we have to full port. I feel like we do have to full port this. $400. We got to get it over the line today, surely. We've got these equal highs up here. Shorting gold after the 15. No, you should have already been short gold. I've been talking about the gold shorts back up here at 80. You short gold now, you're selling at the support. This is where I was saying short. If you wanted a short gold, it was from here into that 70 area. Would I short here on gold? No, you're if you short here now, you're selling support. This is where gold could reverse from, but no, the sells were up here. If we bounce from here, you could buy. I mean, you've got to make $400 here. Sean said we have to do it as well. Yeah, we can risk 2.5k to make 400. Go big or go home. Yeah, what do we do? Do we yeah, do we full port to get the account over the line? Do we do it? There you go. There's gold gold back down into that 46.70 level. So if you guys were short there, that was just a little bit of a scalp down. From here, you may find some support on gold. We're mainly trading the hourly, man. We're just watching the 5 minute because there's 0 hourly trades here today. There's no hourly setups right now. Yeah, you want to be trading off the hourly. You guys can zoom. We're just hanging out here together. There's no official trades here. The reason I'm not trading any fund accounts. The markets are just ranging. Poor trade location for real trades right now. Straight through it. Look at that. Goldie straight back down. Look at that 30 minute, guys. Look at this. Bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. So if you're wondering why am I not doing anything today, this is why. If you are taking official trades in here, then you're an idiot. I've been saying it all day. Don't trade in here. There is no actual good trades in here. This is just me hanging out. Yeah, zebra crossing, yeah. It's not far off. Look at it. Bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. Yeah, just listen. Yeah, good job, man. Good job. That's what we want. That's what we want. That's all we're doing. I do think we have to try and make 400 here, though. Sean said so. Yeah, sit in hand. Yeah, good man, good man. I'm not trading any funded accounts or no personal accounts here. There's no official trades here for me. I'll give the YouTube stream a like if you pass the account. Alright, we'll sit here till we pass it. How long have we been sat here watching this range for? An hour and 40 minutes. Yeah, you can trade ranges, definitely. If you're trading ranges though, just trade at the highs and lows. You can see there's been a few trades in this range. There was the gold shorts just in this range just now. I spoke about shorting gold here. After that 5 minute tag, the highest held resistance down into that 70, or is it 70 level? Yeah, there's trades in the range, but you just have to accept that you're trading a range. Whereas a lot of people will trade a range and then they'll get annoyed that, oh, the markets are ranging, the markets aren't moving. Oh, it's so choppy today. Oh, I keep getting stopped out, blah, 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 blah. All these excuses. But if you trade this range, well, that's your risk. So yeah, of course you can trade the ranges, absolutely, but just accept the risk. Don't be one of these people that trade the ranges, get chopped up, and then start whinging. You know, that's what doesn't make sense. So if you want to trade the range, yeah, trade it, but you are literally trading a range, so just accept that. If you can't accept that, don't trade. For me, Goldie's ranging today, so I'm accepting to trade the range, and I'm just trading on a challenge account here. So what I won't do is trade my funded accounts and then complain when it doesn't work. That's what most people will do. And we've got 30-minute close coming up here. Goldie bouncing nicely here. Look at that. Right off that support. Right off the support. Cheers, mate. Yeah, of course, man. So it's going to be a go home, so if we don't get it there. Trade seat or trading view? I don't like trading off trading view. I like to do it off trade seat. I think trade seat is good. You guys on YouTube, 300 plus people tuning, only 81 likes here. Come on guys, we got to get to 100. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. Surely. Surely we can get to 100. $30-minute close coming up here on gold. Look at this. Look at this beautiful price action this morning. Clean price action. 99. Look at this, one more. NQ breaking high. Now NQ coming lower. It's a good quick close on that NQ trade. It literally hit my TP and then reversed. If that was an official trade, that would have been very annoying. Where was I? I was long from around here. TP was here. It literally hit the TP, which would have passed the account, didn't close me out, and came right back down. They're the trades that you guys take them on your own and laptops go out the window. So it's funny to see it live. If that was an actual like real trade and that would have passed the account, but it didn't hit me out and then reversed, I would have given back like half the profit. So although it didn't close me out, it held the resistance to the left, so I have to trail. And cool, takes you out. I'm not too sure, John. Not too sure, to be honest, man. Be best to ask there, man. I'm not too sure. Gold Trading Cafe just opened near me, and it helps with beginners. Do you think I should go? No. I don't think that's a good idea. I'm joking. I don't know what's it called. What's it called? What's the I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. What's their credentials for you to listen to it? Because they opened a cafe. You should go and learn. I don't know. If that's all you need to qualify to teach, then I might do the same. I don't know. All right, 30-minute. Let's have a look. 30-minute coming down, grabbing the lows. We've got to make this $400. So I'm gonna see if I can buy this. Where are we? Let's see if we can buy this up. How much do we need? Where the TP be? Oh, we got to get more on that. Let's see. All we need is 400. Let's see if we can get this count done and dusted here. Sounds ridiculous. Yeah, yeah, it does sound a bit ridiculous. You said it, not me. See if gold's gonna wick these 30 lows, guys. I'm just playing around on this account here. I can maybe add a little bit more. 400 would take us here. I seen that there's a gold cafe in Thailand. I'm pretty sure they're the guys that started it. Where is it? Gold cafe. Yeah, this is the cool one. Yeah, this one in Thailand is pretty cool. I don't know whereabouts in Thailand it is. But it's also like, oh man, there's some cringy shit as well. Like if you ever catch me doing something like that, man, I'm gonna stop posting. I'm gonna go offline. If I go to a gold cafe and start putting my phone like this, everyone just leave. It's a pretty funny idea to be fair. It'd be cool to go see. But now there's a few of them, I think, right? It's not just the one in Thailand. There's a few, right? It's outside Bangkok. Yeah, you gotta go, Sean. I think Sean's actually trading from there. Sean's there right now. Definitely not there. Yeah, we might have to go a little bit bigger to play this range. I don't know if we'll get that high. Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty lame. Come on, Goldie. Wait for the gold Lambo. Someone actually already has them plates. Someone already has XAUUSD non-plates, unfortunately, which is a shame. Watch me now sit in this trade for like hours just to make this to $400. Yeah, this is what the range of markets do to us. Saturn trades every day. Yeah, it's how we trade every day. I want a Tesla too. Trying to see this 30 can flip bullish here. Come up and wick some highs. Nah, don't trade this, guys. I'm just playing around on this challenge. Don't trade this, guys. Look at what you're trading here. Trading a big fat range. Big fat messy range. I'm just trying to make this $400 to get this account over the line on this little morning star play. But nah, don't trade this range, guys. Permanent on hold music. Come on, Goldie. Is NQ trying to find support? Yeah, NQ trying to find support as well. What I prefer, buys over sells? I don't really like anything. The reason I'm buying gold here is because you've got a bit of a morning star on a 30-minute tag and lows holding support. It's just ranging though. I don't care really. It's just ranging. I'm just gonna go. Let me go break even here. Let's not be that stupid. I don't prefer anything on gold. But 30-minute just opened up with a bottom wick below the lows. So bottom wick below the lows is usually a bullish sign. Oh, nice, Brad. Yeah, if you're a couple of dollars off, don't trade today, man. Or don't trade right now. We just gotta wait. Don't be sensible. Yeah, if you guys do not actually taking any trades here. Below the lows is the 30-minute opened and instantly came down. 30-minute opened like this, came down for a bottom wick, so typically that can be a liquidity grab to maybe come higher. Yeah, I should have taken more size than this. Could have scalped that little pullback there. Bring it up a little bit just in case there's commissions, you never know. Would have been a round trip. Yeah, NQ back down is crazy. I mean, this thing, you know, NQ, you know, it's a decent push. It's like 70 points when you've already ripped 100 up, 150 up, 150 back down. You know, if you catch this little bit of the move, it's enough, honestly. NQ's moved a lot today. I seriously thought you were Aussie? Couldn't pick up you were from England? Really? Is that saying something? I got an Australian accent now. Been here too long. Been here for too long. He's one of us now. That's what we put on this top step chart. They were the levels. Talking about gold to come back down into that 70 level, which is nice support. And then from here, do you come back up into 4,700? Maybe. I want to see this account pass. Yeah, I want to see this account pass as well. Gold's been a bit annoying here. I want to see us come back down from here. I'll lock in $29. Look at this. Oh, come on, gold. Get there already. What you from Mel? Nice, appreciate it, man. Actually switched from trading NQ to GC. Nice, yeah, amazing. Yeah, it's very nice. Gold's very nice to trade in Asia. Very, very, very nice. I mean, NQ can be nice as well, though. But yeah, I prefer to trade gold. Even though I traded NQ this morning on these accounts, but yeah, I prefer to trade gold. Gold's all I really trade my personal. Come on, gold. What is this crap? Give us our $400. I'm not asking for much. Catch you tomorrow. Yeah, nice man. Appreciate you tuning in. See you tomorrow. Hopefully we'll get some proper trades tomorrow. We'll be on for pre-London today as well. I'm sure we'll jump on for pre-London. Goldie. See, I should have taken more size there because that VWAP was all that it was really looking to play. There's no real need for it to come much higher. That little range. Now you're back lower. NQ, a little bit of a morning star. Right at that VWAP as well. Let's see, NQ. hanging out. Look at this owly. What a shit show. Gold dump. I don't know about a dump. Dumping probably might be one of my most hated words in trading. Sometimes the markets move like 2 ticks, people go, oh my god, it's dumping, it's dumping. It's like, bro, we haven't moved. You haven't moved. Alright, that'll do me, guys. I'm gonna go enjoy the day, guys, here. I've watched this crap for too long. I'll take the profit on this account. We'll come back again. We'll see if we can pass it tomorrow. I'm not trading any of my fund accounts here today, guys. Gold's way too high, so we'll come back right again tomorrow, guys. I've been here for like 2 hours just scalping these little ranges on gold. Gold to 4,700 looks nice, but for me, I'm not going to trade it here, guys. I'll wait for closer to pre-London, where we're going to jump on the stream with the guys inside Discord. So if you guys want to check out the mentorship, we're going live for the London session closer to 6 a.m. London time. So I'll see you guys there. If not, I'll see you guys same time again tomorrow. Good full port in session, guys. Talk to you soon. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.